Welcome back to Borrow Time Garage, everybody. I'm Wes. Thanks for watching. Anyways, we added another pound of wire, at least since Sunday, and kind of stitched her up a little. Put these patches in, I just tacked them. Right, like this one, right here. Just tacked, and I'm thinking, you know, I gotta burn it in a little better, make it a little stronger, since it's, I don't know, a race car. So, I ran out of wire again. I gotta find a better solution to this wire. I have to order some online. People just don't keep it in stock. Upgrading welders would be nice, but I don't know. Not while I'm running a generator to power a welder. It just doesn't seem to be up to snuff, you know. So maybe we wait to upgrade tools until we have a real shop someday. Hopefully soon. So we did some cleaning in here. Block the light out a little. Yeah, and these little pockets in here, they carry a lot of dirt and stuff. There's nowhere for it to go, so I cleaned it all out. In doing that, I found a crack, and I'm pretty sure that's a crack, and repaired there, and repaired there, and we'll mosey on over to the other side. And I don't think there's any cracks on this side. However, there is a repair there to the shock tower brace, and that is on both sides of the car. Common issue, I'm thinking, with this. Yeah. So yeah, here we are, kind of burned them in. That old welder sure don't perform very good. But we're doing what we can with what we have. That's the whole point of this whole YouTube series on borrowed time. Just follow your dream. Just get her done. Little bit by little bit. I'm going to get there. We're going to get there. We're going to make this thing howl on the track. You know. Wasn't long ago this was just all rusty, you know. Well, I made some patch panels and started digging into it. It's kind of like once you start, how far do you go, you know? I didn't like it the way it looked. I want to make it a little better. But anyway. Yeah. Getting there. Getting close. I don't know. Another pound of wire, maybe? Just to make me happy in here on this floorboard. Some of these places I don't really like. Like in here. You know, it's just tack, 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 tack. You know, that's bullshit. There's no strength there. I gotta burn that all in. And if it isn't pretty, it isn't pretty. But maybe I'll try and take my time a little more, and then just, you know. Yeah, we're getting there. Once I'm satisfied with the welding, then I'm going to kind of clean it up. All up in, you know, like this headliner kind of area. Not going to have a headliner, but I'm thinking, you know, a fresh coat of paint wouldn't be such a bad thing. I think I put in one in my introduction in the description that I want to make it, what? Pretty, safe, and fast. Yeah, that makes sense, right? Pretty, safe, and fast. Anyway, I guess that's it for Borrowed Time Garage for today. Like, share, subscribe, comment if you wish. Cheers.